Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on your Windows system. So in the first step, open Task Manager, then click on Run New Task and then click on Browse button. Now open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now open System32 folder. Then we need to find out cmd.exe file, select it and click on open. Now this will be the path. After that, check this box and click on OK. It will open command prompt window. Now type these two commands carefully and hit enter to execute these commands. Type sfc space slash scan file equal to c colon slash windows slash system32 slash ieframe.dll. Then press enter. Now type sfc space verify file equal to c colon slash windows slash system32 slash ieframe.dll and press enter. Now type exit to close the command prompt window and move to the next step. Simply now click on search bar, then type here settings and click here to open it. Now just scroll down and click on storage, go to temporary files and simply uncheck this one and check temporary Windows instruction file and click on remove files. Now click on continue. It will take some time to complete the process, so wait for it. And then once done, we need to go back to storage and scroll down and click on storage sense. Enable this option and from run storage sense click on everyday and from here select 30 days default. Now from here we need to select 30 days and click on run storage sense now. Now we need to wait for some time to complete the process, so just wait for it. Once done, simply close this window and move to the next step. Click on search bar and then type file manager, open file explorer, simply right click on C drive, open its properties, then on this window simply click on tools tab, go to optimize. Now on this click on optimize button. Now from here we need to simply wait for some time. Once done, click close all windows one by one. Now in the final step, simply go to search bar and type advanced system settings and click here to open it. It will open system properties. On this window click on settings, then go to advanced for the best performance. Now save all changes and close the windows. Now go to settings, click on accessibility, then visual effects, and from transparency effects simply turn off this option and simply restart your system. That's it guys, you are good to go.